Okay, in this section of the video, I'm going to show you how to take out the MAF sensor, the one that locate right here, clean it and put them back. Okay, this is part of my maintenance. I do this every time I take out an air filter. Okay, so it's really simple. If you follow my video where I show you how to replace the air filter, it's best if you do it when you working on your air filter, because you have to loosen this out. Okay, like so. You have to loosen out these 4 clamp and you have to lift it. You have to lift it out of there like so. Okay, so to take it out, it's really simple. All you have to do is push this button right here, wiggle it, okay, and get that out. And then this clip right here, just push it toward you on front of the car, lift it up. This one here, you push it toward the back of the car, lift it up and lay it on the side like that. And then you take a Phillips screwdriver, loosen these 2 screws. I already loosened it ahead of time, like so. Okay, and just take out these 2 screws. It's really simple. I just put it on the magnetic tray right there. And the reason you don't want to do it when the filter set in, because when you pull up, okay, this thing can get caught underneath here. That's why you have to pull your air filter forward, and there it is. Okay, so what I do is I take this and I use these MAF Sensor Cleaner. Alright, so using this MAF Airflow Sensor Cleaner, just spray it in there like so, and then there's one element underneath there. Give it a good spray. And that's it. Okay, just let it sit for about 5 minutes, let it dry. This thing should evaporate really quick, and after that you put them back to the air cleaner box. Okay, after it's nice and dry, I let it sit for about 5 minutes. Just put them back in like so. Okay, now can you put it backward? The bolt not gonna line up. Okay, so put it the right way like so, and put in the screw, the 2 screws. Take a Phillips screwdriver, tighten it down. Really simple. This is easy maintenance that you can do. Hopefully doing this will save you some gas. Okay, so I do this once a year when I replace my air filter. And after that, what you want to do, you want to slide this thing in like so and clamp down your air filter like that. Honda make it really easy. You can access this air filter without any tools other than your hand. Okay, on this one right here, just put it in. It should snap in. This one here should snap in, and hook this back. You should hear it snap in. And that's it. That's how you do maintenance on your MAF air sensor. Okay, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.